Clarence Thomas to speak.
The man hasn't spoken a single word in 154 cases over 2 years.
Mention Anita Hill. The porn collection. Bait him a little.
I'm not going to bait a Supreme Court justice. What's the other favor?
Kick ass. It's our time in the Great Hall in front of the highest court in the country. Maybe the world. Be respectful. But kick ass. Be Alan Shore for all you're worth. And you know how they start these sessions? This clerk, this really pretty woman, she says, "Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes." It's like sex, Alan.
It's not oh yes, it's oye.
What?
Oye.
Oyez, oyez, oyez. All persons having business before the Honorable, the Supreme Court of the United States are admonished to draw near and give their attention, for the court is now sitting. God save the United States and this honorable court.
I had no idea they sat so close. We're here, Alan, we're really here. Look at us in the Supreme Court of the United States. I love you, man. I love you too, Denny.
This morning, we will hear arguments in Serra versus the state of Louisiana. Mr. Lazarus.
Mr. Chief Justice.
How do you distinguish this case from Coker, where we barred the death penalty for non-homicide rape?
Well, first, Mr. Chief Justice, Coker was linked to the rape of adult women.
Oh, where's the remote?
And second, that ruling relied on the evidence of a national trend against execution for non-homicide cases. Today, 5 states make child rape a capital offense. We also have the death penalty for air piracy and treason, also non-homicide offenses. When a child is raped, the impact is beyond horrible, beyond repair. And the fact that the raped child doesn't die doesn't make it any less heinous, any less unconscionable, any less unspeakable. The punishment is not disproportionate. It reflects the current national consensus. This court has been criticized recently for not standing up for the little guy. Well, I'm standing here today asking you to stick up for an 8-year-old girl who was raped by the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Lazarus, the red light indicates your time is up.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice.
This is it. I think I'd rather be fishing. Go get him.
May it please the court, Mr. Chief Justice. Currently, there are 3,300 people on death row in this country. My client is one of only 2 commit murder.
You here to give us a box score?
I'd like to provide a context, Your Honor. In Louisiana, 180 men have been prosecuted for child rape since this law went into effect in 1995. Leonard Serra is the only one facing death.
Look, counsel, Louisiana law permits death for child rape.
And I would respectfully submit that law is unconstitutional.
Based on what?
Based on this court's finding in Coker that the death penalty...
It spoke to the rape of an adult, not a child. Maybe you need to read it again. And even if I were to concede your point, which I don't, there's a national consensus now in favor of authorizing the death penalty for non-homicide rape.
Why? Because Louisiana passed a barbaric law joining the ranks of Saudi Arabia, Uganda, China...
and other states